Every Windows user should know about this free utility. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. I'm using a stock of Windows 11 Pro with default features like widgets, the standard menu, Copilot and OneDrive Auto Start. So in this video basically, I will show you how to use the Quiz Data's Take Windows utility to optimize Windows. For that, launch a web browser. Click on the search bar and type in Chris Data's Windows utility. On this result page, you will get this above as a best result. So you can easily go to any of these websites. Now you will land on this GitHub page. You need to scroll down at bottom of the screen. Here you will see the launch command. Click on the copy button and once it has been copied, right click on the start menu. Click on Open Terminal or you can also use the PowerShell as admin. Click on Yes button. Now this section will appear where you can easily paste the command by using Ctrl V and press Enter on the keyboard to launch the utility which runs through PowerShell without installing on your PC. Here you can see that the other window has already been opened on my device. You can click on the settings icon and click on About as well. And here you will see the version. After that, click on OK button. So here you will see different utilities as I said earlier, the 7G. You can check mark that and install this tool. After that, you can also go on the tweaks tab. You can apply tweaks to improve performance and privacy. You can easily disable the telemetry, ads, games DVR and unnecessary feature from this page. Also, you can reduce background processes for a cleaner system. Advanced options include disabling Copilot, blocking Adobe, bloatware, enabling the classic right-click menu, and optimizing to perform. You can automatically create them before applying the tweaks. And after that, you can also use the utility to remove Microsoft Store apps, Microsoft Edge, OneDrive, and many more. For ease remnants, you can open file location from the Start menu and delete the shortcut in the program folders. Also, running tweaks includes disabling widget and the search bar. As well, cleaning of the system via disk cleanup and PowerShell upgrades. A cleaner taskbar and optimize system performance. You can also use this all the tabs like config, updates, and microwins to make any changes on your PC and make it more smoother and work faster. So these are all the additional preferences you can explore by fully applying after a system restart the dark theme. You can disable being search in the start menu, snowing file extension by default, and turning off mouse acceleration for improved controls. So those are all the things that every Windows user should know about this free utility. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.